You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this dish, originally from Mexico. If you want to learn more Mexican food names that are very confusing, more pronunciations, stay tuned. More videos coming up for you. Tacos, the Spanish pronunciation, or Mexican. Tacos, that's the plural, right? It's one taco, several tacos. Stress on the ta syllable. In English, the pronunciation is similar as tacos, not tacos. Tacos. How to pronounce Spanish pronunciation, the delicious tacos. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.